everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add check boxes in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Firstly, on search bar here we'll type Word, then tap to open it. Click on blank document. Now firstly enable the developer tab. Click on file, then options, then customize ribbon. Scroll down main tab. Click on developer, then OK. Here you will see developer tab will be open. Click on developer. Now here you will see checkbox. Click on checkbox. Then from right click on it. From here you will can click on properties. Here you will type title. You can change the color of the checkbox, and then you can change symbol of the checkbox, like I will adding this symbol. Then OK, again press OK. Here you will see now whenever we will check it, it will be like this sign. And that's it. You know how to add checkbox in Microsoft Word easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.